Okay, would like to welcome po our mentor, Josephine Chong. Sis,
Hi, thank you, Mary
Thank you for joining.
Zai. Good evening, Paul, everyone. Hi, thank you for Dr. Mary Jane also for the very detailed presentation. So, just to introduce myself, I'm Josephine. So, like Mary Zai mentioned, I'm from Malaysia. I have been with the company Alcan Global for 11 years, and before that, I was working as a chemist in Singapore. So, I studied food science before that. Yeah. So, I think one of the reasons why we stay so long in Alcan, of course, other than the opportunity, and of course, it's a product and really throughout the years we have seen the effects of the product and help so many people and so many customers and friends of ourselves. Yeah. So I just want to take a little bit of time to share some preview about our product going to launch in Philippines very soon. In fact, in 1 to 2 weeks time, or in middle of next month, it will be there in Philippines. Yeah, because I think we all know that cardiovascular disease is the top killer globally worldwide. So I think it's everyone have to take it seriously. I mean, even though last time I'm young, I thought that maybe I don't really need to take care or I don't have a high blood pressure, but actually it's very important because imagine we always use the example. Imagine our heart is actually like the fifth side is actually pumping every day, every minute, so many times. It's pumping every day like that, and 100,000 times a day averagely. But for the so many years, 30, 40, 50 years, have we ever think of how to really service our heart? When we have car, the engine is working every day. We will have a schedule due for service maybe every 6 months or every like 10,000 kilometers we need to send for service. But what happened to our heart that we never really send the heart to service? Because one is breakdown, we our livestock as well. And also talking about a blood vessel is as long as 100,000 km as well. It can circulate the whole globe for 2 rounds. So it's very common that the blood vessel will get a small clot every here and there. So how to really take care of it is really important. So we are very excited to share with you. We have this Life Extra Young, LX Young, is going to launch in Philippines as a very complete on the go blood flow solution. In fact, in Malaysia, it's not really a new product because we have been drinking it for the past, I think, yeah, 10 years or more than that. So this is actually the fourth generation that we are launching in Malaysia. We keep upgrading and upgrading to make it very complete. But when we bring in Philippines, yeah, straight away we bring in the best one, the best version, which is already the upgraded version. Yeah. So what's so special about the product? I just touched on a little bit like I think we have a lot of doctors here. Yeah, thanks for listening as well. So we all know that our body has a nitric oxide, but it depletes over time as we age, or due to certain reason we may have a less nitric oxide, yeah, over the time. And when we do not have enough nitric oxide, and when our blood vessel become thicker and thicker, because the food we eat, because we never exercise, the fatty actually deposit at the blood vessel, and starting from the age of 20. So actually it's quite, alarming when I first saw it 20. So even if I'm 30 over now, I can imagine my blood vessel already become thicker, even though, I may not have high blood pressure, I may not have high cholesterol, but doesn't mean that my blood vessel is healthy. So especially, yeah, when you look at here 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and when we age also, the nitric oxide production become less, but the blood vessel become very thick, become more narrow. It's difficult for the blood to flow. So your heart also have to pump harder. Yeah, and when there is nitric oxide shortage also, it will cause a rupture of blood vessel. So we could get like plaque formation, narrowing of blood vessel, and the blood clots. It will cause obstructed blood flow and stiffness of the vascular wall as well. So the blood vessel also possible to become more stiff. So what are some common symptoms? You know, it could be, you know, just starting from like cold hand and feet. Some could be, you know, like numbness, you know, for example, maybe last time, you know, when I sleep, no problem. But sometimes, you know, in the morning, I realize why one side of my arm, I get numb very easily, or my leg, you know, or sometimes people get chest pain. Or last time when I walk up the staircase, I don't get breathless, but now I feel, oh, I walk a little bit longer, I feel breathless already. So all these little symptom is actually the signs of poor blood circulation, and is very crucial. We need to start taking care of it. Yeah. So yeah, so if there's small rupture of blood vessels, you know, the meanings the overworked heart starts to fail. Yeah, because the narrowing of the blood vessels also limit blood flow, increase in the blood pressure. The blood vessel will become more stiff, it become less elastic, and more blood clots. Yeah, and the blood clots is also very dangerous when there's more blood clot, and sometimes, you know, when it flow to other important blood vessel, the main one, for example, if it is stuck at the main heart blood vessel, it will cause sudden cardiac arrest. And if it's stuck at the brain, it will cause a stroke, and it could be a sudden death as well. So it's very important. And when there's platelets become unhealthy, it become very spiky, it will also cause a risk to our whole blood flow system. Yeah, so we are bringing you here a very complete solutions. So this unique formulation including L-arginine to increase the nitric oxide production, and we have just newly added a patented curcumin to increase even more nitric oxide production with a synergistic effect. And also we also adding in the award-winning patented tomato aqueous extract to smoothen the spiky platelets to prevent the platelet aggregation. Yeah. So with this synergistic effect, yeah, last time even without adding the curcumin, we already have very great effect with the product. But now the new formula is with the patented curcumin to make the nitric oxide production even more, and even if more effective, increase the annual production by 40%. And the curcumin enhance the L-arginine bioavailability as well. Yeah. So what the nitric oxide do, you know, you have to dissolve the plaque formations, because imagine sometimes if we really have a very no major block in one or two of the main blood vessel, if we go to hospital, so normally maybe the doctor will recommend, you know, either you take the medicine, or you need to do bypass or some other, yeah, or balloon, you know, to really help that blood vessel. Yeah. But even if we do the operation, it can be just on that particular blood vessel only. What happened to the rest of the so many blood vessels that it still have the small block here and there? So we still need to maintain all the blood flow health with the nitric oxide. Yeah. So it will help to keep the blood vessel pliable, elastic, melt away the plaque. So it's very important. You have to dilate the blood vessels to ensure the smooth blood flow everywhere of our body, and how to restore damaged blood vessel and to restore the elasticity of blood vessel. Yeah. And of course, we are adding the award-winning and patented curcumin, like I mentioned just now. It helps to increase the activity up to more than 72%, and you have to increase the antioxidant protection and reduce oxidative stress. So we all know that, you know, we don't want so much oxidative stress, and we want to reduce the chances of inflammation of the blood vessel. If not, we'll get thrombosis later, or the blood vessel will become thicker and thicker, also causing the risk. So this additional curcumin is definitely going to help a lot. And studies shows that it actually also help to regulate the cholesterol level, how to increase the HDL, to remove excess cholesterol, and also help to reduce the overall LDL and triglycerides. Yeah. And the last ingredient, which is award-winning patented tomato aqueous extract, yeah, is the first award-winning ingredient from the European Food Safety Authority, the EFSA. So it's actually helped to smoothen out all the hyperactive spiky platelet to become normal, to reduce the obstruction of the blood circulation, to reduce the formation of the thrombosis. And the anti-platelet aggregation effect is very effective. It can be seen just right after 1.5 hours of drinking the product, and it can last more than 12 hours. So this is also very important and a very unique formula. So all these three ingredients, when added together, it is the key ingredients of our LX Young, and I think we are all very excited to share with you. Yeah, let me just share with you also. We recently do we have a blood test. Also, we are going to bring. I think we already bring in the machine to Philippines. And yeah, we have a lot of great testimony on that as well. I think, and Ma'am Izai, she's one of the pioneer when they visited Malaysia. They do the blood test actually in Malaysia as well. So we actually just use just one drop of the blood to actually check under the microscope to see how the blood cells doing. So for example, this lady before, you know, we can see that all the red blood cells actually stick together. It's not very healthy, very poor blood circulation, yeah, and a lot of toxic. So the blood is very sticky, indicate that the blood is very sticky. And then we do a test. We just let the lady to drink one sachet of the Life Extra Young, and right after 30 minutes, we'll do a test again. You can see immediately, you know, all the cells actually start to separate together and, you know, more actively because of the immediate result. Yeah, and this is a Life Extra Young, which is a previous version that we have in Malaysia. This is another guy. We also can see that this before drinking. You can see the blood is so very sticky, you know, so many one whole chunk together. But after drinking it, you can see that the cell is healthily moving and separate already. And also this lady also, you know, so serious. Sometimes we are really scared when we look at the blood cell condition, you know, because if it's going to get worse, you know, any time there is very high chance that the person can get a stroke or heart disease, heart attack. Yeah, but immediately you can see right after drinking, you can see the improvement. Yeah. And also this is another one. Yeah, we have so many. Even sometimes, you know, we thought youngster, their blood flow should be good, but sometimes because of the habit, you know, they sleep late or because of the food we eat, actually, you know, the blood flow sometimes is also not very good. Yeah, even like this one, the housewife, 30-year-old, but a lot of toxic also. So I think this one could probably need also the lactose and spirulina on top of the extra. Yeah. So we are all very excited, but of course, when we are talking about this product, we are recommending at least a 4 months consumption because this is a treatment cycle and for the blood health. Yeah, so it's like sending our car to service, you know, every 10,000 kilometers we send once, right? So for the blood health, you know, the treatment we recommend every 4 months for 1 year if you are considering about the budget. And of course, we are very proud to have the official launch in Philippines on the 4th October, and we have Dr. Andrew Tra, who is a speaker, and of course, this is his profession. He will be sharing more details during the launch itself. And this is myself. I also just did the test. Yeah, this is the LX Young packaging. Yeah, is because of the additional curcumin. Also, you can see that it's dark yellow, but it's very soluble. Yeah, so this is how the test looks like, and I think we have the machine there, and hopefully very soon it will be available for the people who maybe is close to the office. Yeah. So that is just my short sharing. Thanks, Ma'am Izai, for giving me the time, and I think we're going to learn more about this very soon, and I think everyone is very excited to wait for the stock to arrive. Yeah, and it's already open for pre-order because I think some of the leaders, they are so excited, they even bring the stock actually from Malaysia to Philippines, or ask some of the leaders to bring over in our previous trip because it really helped a lot of people. Yeah, and